like in the middle, the part where it separates every pod thing. So if you look on the top of it where the thing would be, if you pick that out, you can see there's little lines that mark where it's growing. So if you just cut along those lines, it will be, you can kind of have a guideline to where your these parts will be, so you don't need to be like right in the middle of it. See? I'm using a Clementine because I don't want to use a big orange, but which you can still see this is part of the thing right on the bottom right there, so it's kind of helpful if you don't want this skin part right in the middle of your thing. So I hope you know what I mean. You probably know.